In this lesson, we're going to be looking at radian measure. Radian is just another unit of measurement for angles whose vertex is at the origin of the rectangular coordinate system. So in place of degrees, you can also use radians to measure an angle measure. A full rotation around the unit circle is 360 degrees. That is the same as 2 pi radian. Since one rotation is 360 degrees, and that is equivalent to 2 pi radian, a measure of 2 pi radian, that tells us that 1 degree measure is equal to pi over 180, or 1/80th of pi. All right, so we want to convert 50 degrees to radian. Again, 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radian. So we're going to multiply 50 by pi over 180. And 50 degrees in radian measure would be 50 over 180 pi. Once we simplify that, we get 5 pi over 18. If we wanted to convert 150 degrees to radian, we would again multiply 150 by pi over 180. That will give us 150 over 180 pi. And once we simplify that fraction, we get 5 pi over 6. And if we do the reverse process, we start off with radian and we want to convert the radian to degrees, we would just do the opposite. So the radian measure times pi over 180, the degree times pi over 180 equals the radian measure. So we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of pi over 180 to isolate the x, which would be the correspond to the degree measure. Once we multiply both sides by 180 over pi, and we cancel out what we can cancel out, we're left with 4 times 60, which is 250 degrees. 240 degrees. So 4 pi over 3 radian is equivalent to 240 degrees. And if we wanted to convert 7 pi over 4 radian to degrees, we would follow the same steps. Multiply the degree measure by pi over 180. That will equal the radian measure. So to isolate the degree measure x, we're going to multiply both sides by 180 over pi. When we do that and cancel everything that we can cancel, we'll be left with 7 times 45, or 315 degrees. And lastly, we want to find out what is the radian measure for this rotation. So if we follow the red arrow, we see that we have 1 full rotation plus an additional 270 degrees. And then to get to the terminal side of the angle, we have to add the green portion, the green angle, which is 5 pi over 12. All right, we want everything in radians, so 270 degrees is 3 pi over 2 radian. And then 1 full rotation around the circle is going to be 2 pi, so we can replace that 1 rotation with 2 pi. Add 3 pi over 2 and 5 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 is the same thing as 18 pi over 12. So when I add 18 pi over 12 plus 5 pi over 12, I get 23 pi over 12. And then I need to add the 2 pi to that. So 2 pi is the same thing as 24 pi over 12. 24 pi over 12 plus 23 pi is 47 pi over 12.